What is up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sean with 8-Bit, and today we're just going to go over the basics of how to apply beard oil. Should only take a couple minutes here. So first thing you want to do is, if you're fresh out of the shower, towel dry your beard, but leave it a little damp. This is middle of the day here for me, so what I'm going to do is get my beard just a little bit wet here, just with a little bit of water. Helps the oil spread, and you can kind of lock in some of that moisture that you're adding to your beard. So for today's video, I'm going to be using Pinky. This is our new all essential oil blend in a lighter blend. And a lot of you are going to be picking this up, or, it's going to be a new oil for you. So just a helpful tip, anytime you're using a new oil you're unfamiliar with, start with a little bit less and then add. It's tough to take away if you add too much, end up wasting a lot of oil. So start with a little bit. My beard is shorter than it's been in 5 years, so I am going to just start with a little bit, give it a good shake. Really love this. This is an all citrus, really sweet blend. It's very similar to our wash and conditioner that we currently have, but honestly, just a couple taps like that. You can kind of see maybe how much I have. Rub it in your hands. It just smells so good. And then just get it up. When I had a longer beard, I'd push it up in there. You want to get it down into your skin, right? You want to get it down in your skin and then all over your beard hair. And it's pretty much gone since I only used 2 taps. Got it in there really good. If you have extra, you could always rub your elbows with it. You could put it in your head hair, the little bit I have left here. It's a great skin oil, so you can always put it on your skin too, the rest of your face. So this blend we have here with our essential line is Golden Jojoba, Abyssinian, Squalane, a very, very good skin oil, cucumber seed, and avocado. So you can see there, oil's gone. And then what I like to do is, if you have, from my shorter beard here, boar bristle brush or we sell these also on our website, Chicago Comb carbon fiber combs. This is a 6, I believe. It's got the thin and the thick. You just comb and style as you normally would. With a shorter beard, I really do like to use a boar bristle brush. You could pick these up at, we don't have these on our website yet. I've been looking for a local supplier for these. But it really just gets down. I love these because it gets down into your skin and you're stimulating your skin also. So to get that blood flow to your skin. And just a quick boom, boom, boom. Done. That's it. So honestly, you could do that in under a minute in most cases. So how to apply beard oil. So until next time, this is Sean with 8-Bit. We'll chat later.